Hey everybody, do not fall for the scam. Matt here at Wheels Through Time. Recently, we've been having a ton of issues on our page, bunch of comments from you guys telling us that there's somebody impersonating the Wheels Through Time YouTube page. So for those of you guys that might not have seen it, this is what you're looking for. Right down here is where you see the profile picture, and right here actually is that false name. It'll say something like text and then a phone number. So unless it's Wheels Through Time verified, and right up here it says Wheels Through Time on the page, do not pay it any mind. They're sending messages out, hey, you won this, contact this phone number. We don't do that here at the museum. So occasionally we do give stuff away, and we find a good way to get in touch with you guys. We'll even do a video and mention the person if we're going to give something away, so you guys know it's verified and it's real. So if you see the text 1-877-2121, pay it no mind, guys. It's a big problem on YouTube. Lots of different pages are having the same issue and are in turn doing videos just like this one to let you guys know that it's a scam. So make sure it's Wheels Through Time verified, and again, pay it no mind. Otherwise, we're doing our best to mitigate the situation and take care of the problem. But until then, it might just be something we're going to have to continue to chase. You guys know that we're thinking about you guys. We don't want anybody following the wrong links or calling some number to get scammed. Wanted to let you know about it right away. Appreciate everything you guys are doing for the museum. Thanks a ton for viewing. Thanks a ton for subscribing. We're going to keep bringing you great content and booting the spam along the way, guys. So thanks a ton.